Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about microphones. Yes, microphones, everyone's favorite thing. So yeah, I am upgrading microphones. I am deciding not to use my normal camera because, well, I'm kind of recording this the day it's supposed to come out. So, what I'm going to be doing is upgrading microphones. So right now, if you look here, I have got here a blue microphone. I don't know, I've had it for a year now. The problem with the blue, you might be saying, God, why are you upgrading now? Is there any reason to? Yes, there is. This is a USB microphone, so it means, well, it plugs in via this thing. So what that means is, well, the computer has to do all the work instead of having a separate amplifier. So, yeah, let's get to the unboxing. I don't even know if this will be in the video, so yeah, let's get to that. Okay, guys, so this is the microphone we're going to be unboxing. I'm not sure what I'm going to get in there. This is my old microphone, which I'm just going to take the stand from. So I'm just going to take it off the stand right now. Yeah, it's off the stand. I kind of dented the table. Yeah, so here it is. I don't know. Let me give you a close-up.
Ooh, wow, baby. Ooh, wow. Ooh.
Okay, so let's time to unbox this. I'm just gonna remove the cord. Actually, I'll just do that once it's time because I don't really need to do that. So let's just get this box open. I have to get my scissors out. Always hold it like this, not like this. That probably will kill someone. So always hold it by the blade. Just to make sure you get cut 100% of the time. And there we go. And it's open. Opening up the flap. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Yeah, let me get a closer look. It's looking pretty nice. Pretty nice, I'd say. Here's our pop filter. This is our converter, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that has to be cleaned off a bit. This, I don't know what this is. What is this? Let's move over to this side. This is the, what is it called? Cradle. This is a microphone cover. It's pretty nice. And here's the actual microphone itself. It's pretty big and heavy. It's a condenser microphone, so it is pretty heavy. It's not your standard microphone. So yeah, let's get on the mount. Okay guys, this is the instructions here. Let me get this a little closer. Here's what it says. I don't know if that's gonna be flipped. Hopefully it is. It does get flipped because right now, as I'm reading it, it is backwards. Well, actually, technically, I think it's called inverted, but yeah. Here's the other one, which it gets quite big. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it because it's kind of bright in here. That? Yeah, you probably can see that. But yeah, you get the gist. It's an instruction manual. I have no idea what this is at all. It's like some weird packet with a blue thing. I think I can set this up. I'm 100% sure I can actually. I'm not sure if I can't. So what you do is you unscrew this. This is what I'm gonna guess. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, you can definitely tell I'm a professional, know what I'm doing. You put this on the back. Let's make sure it's the right way. Okay, it's universal. Okay, now you take your microphone and you just spin around from there, that, and you spin, and you spin, keep on spinning. That'll like the Rode logo will be on the front, so it means spin even more. Let's see if I can get it to the front. There we go. Okay, I got the Rode microphone into the front. It's looking pretty good. Now it's time to put the diffuser, also known as the pop shield. I did say pop shield before. I mostly called it pop shield, but it can be called a diffuser. So just slide that in. You want to rock that back and forth, and then it slides in. So that should stop the pops and stuff during your recordings. The cradle should keep you from, when you bump into something, it should keep it from making a lot of noise, which happens sometimes in my recordings. It's actually not very common for me to have that problem, but it does happen. So yeah, this is an XLR cable, and I'm guessing, no, you don't plug that in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out real quick. Yeah, I forgot there's a male and female on XLR. So that means I just plug this into here, and we're good. I think I just pull it out, yeah. So yeah, there's male and female on XLR, so yeah. Gotta keep that in mind. This is USB-C, which plugs into here, which is actually kind of nice. If there's since there's USB-C. That's not very common. There's left and right here. I think these are probably for headphones, or probably maybe like input or something. I'm not sure what to use this for. This is a blue microphone, which is unnecessary right now. Why do I have that out? Now, I have to figure out how to mount this onto this, which I probably will do outside the video. Stay tuned. Okay. Yeah, nice rod. Oh, that's solid. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be pulling over with that. Okay, guys, I got it all set up here. It is all ready to go. Let's take a sit down and let's look at it. So this is the pop filter. It's looking pretty good, I would say. There's a whole bunch of mess back there, so just ignore it. The wire runs along here and eventually makes it down there. Yeah, I would say this area looks awesome. Not this area, what I'm saying. This microphone looks awesome. Then the wire runs down there, down to my finger, down to the dog bed, and over here, and then it goes through here. And then we got a road. I don't know what these things are called. I think it's called a converter or a dock, something like that. And then, actually, this surprised me, because I thought this was quite an old mic. It has USB Type-C. It's not USB Thunderbolt, but still. Okay, guys, it's plugged in. And then you got XLR here. How ingenious. I don't know. XLR is not that special, really, if I had to say. So yeah. Then you have your controls here, which you can go up like that and down. Which I'm gonna leave the microphone off because, well, I don't need a microphone. And then you got this. These. So I find like audio playback is, microphone playback is kind of annoying. Just is kind of annoying, but whatever. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna switch the face cam and we're gonna finish off the video. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share, and I'll see you later. Bye.